Attention traffic exchange and serverless servers. Stop wasting your traffic exchange and serverless credit, because you are about to discover how to convert your traffic exchange credit to 100,000 or even up to 1 million hits per month to your primary business or any website of your choice, while building a residual monthly income of up to $7,809 per month or more without any additional effort. And that is regardless if you make sales in your primary business or not. Not just that, you will learn also how to build your downline in more than 14 selected traffic exchanges and safe lists automatically. All what you need to do is to keep doing what you're doing right now, and that is surfing for free credit. All this based on realistic mathematical facts. Introducing eSurfToCash formula. I've created a free video to show you how the eSurfToCash formula works and how you can get it started today. So to get access to my free video, enter your email address in the form below, and I'll see you on the very next page.